Day trading live this morning. Day trading live, taking a couple trades. HTBX, KPTI. It's a beautiful morning. I'm in the green. I can't complain. Let's keep this going. Let's do it. Watch it all go down live in this video, so stay tuned. It's Tuesday morning. We're going to make some money today. But before we do that, if you guys haven't already, I don't know what you're doing, but hit the subscribe button. Also, hit the like button. Don't hit the dislike. I don't know who's hitting the dislike button, but if you're hitting the dislike button, you can go and you know what. But do me one big favor. Just hit the like button. That's all I ask from you guys. Also, leave a comment below. What stocks are you trading? Come on, let's get into it. There's like 5 comments. I know more than 5 people are watching these videos. Leave a comment. Hit the like button. And let's get into that live action. Already got 2 trades on HTBX. It's a funny morning. So I got it here, 500 shares there at $3, and it pulled all the way down here to 280. Ended up getting another 500 there at 290, and then selling into this push here at 297 just to get out for basically break even, making like $20 on that trade. And then I was watching this 320 area, hoping that we'd break above 320 and this rally right up there to the 330, just a big old spike. There was a big major seller there at 320. That seller got eaten out. It jumped above 320, jumped in there at 320, and look, there's the rip. Market open now. Oh, 340, 350. Wow. I'm jumping on this pullback here, see if we can get that rip above 350. A little bit more. Come on, 350 break. Come on, 350. Let's go. Need a little bit more push here. Just trying. Look at this, the push above 340s. I'm going to take it right there. There it goes. Above 350, 56. Ho-ho! 360. Beautiful. All the way up there to 360 on that move. Wow. HTBX. You can see him up $180 right there. I'm not going to complain about it. There's that break over 350. Beautiful. Up there to 361. Wow. HTBX. Up there to 360. So, wow. I mean, talk about missed opportunity here. My average this morning with 1,000 shares was 295, and look at this thing rip now up there to 265. So I had a feeling, I had a good feeling this was gonna rip. This was gonna rip at open. You know, it's a classic just pump and dump setup here. A lot of the shorts got in here this area thinking this was gonna crack below $3 and just kind of sell off the rest of the day. And you can see when that didn't happen now, you know, so we broke below 3. Got down here, found some support, and then we started coming back, and then the shorts were like, all right, they're getting squeezed, shorts getting squeezed here, and that's exactly kind of what went down there on HTBX. Look at it, up there to 365 now. Wow. I was looking here at KPTI. So KPTI has previous resistance there at the 1540 area. This morning it gapped up pretty big above that resistance up there to 1740, but you can see now it's back below that resistance there at the 1540 area. So this could be a nice little short entry. Let's keep an eye on it here. Let's see if it has some trouble there at the 1540 area a couple times. Might be an opportunity to short. So finding some resistance there. KPTI there at the 1520 area. Let's see if this will break below $15. You got the VWAP, got the EMAs there. So I'm going to see if we can break below $15. And then maybe that $15 area will turn into a resistance then. And then look for an opportunity to short once this kind of figures out which way it wants to go here. HTBX down there to 320 again, so big run up there to the 365, pulling down there to 320, bouncing back all over the place. Volume decreasing here on this move overall. You can see that first big spike, almost 700,000, over 700,000 shares traded, and then kind of slowing down here, slowing down. So this KPTI, is it going to get stuck there? Is it going to break below 15? I want to see it break below 15 with a big old sell-off, big old crash, get below this 1480 area. And then look for an opportunity to short if it can get down there. If it wants to hold EMAs, it might break above. It might break above 1540 and then get running here. You can see this morning pre-market, I think the high was, where was the high at? That was yesterday after hours. Yesterday after hours was 1740. So, oh, HTBX going crazy here. Look at it up there to 385. Wow. Talk about a dip buy there. 320 dip buy. All the way up there to 385 now, just going up. Whew. Wow, I feel like a fool. I feel like a fool selling this morning. Selling here at 297. Oh, What a fool. Talk about remorse. Talk about seller's remorse. Talk about, oh, what was I thinking? What was I doing? So KPTI, again, hitting that 1540 area, getting stuck there twice. Boom, boom. Getting stuck there. So KPTI getting stuck there at the 1540 area twice now. So we're going to see if that resistance is going to really hold this thing down. I want to see this thing break below 15 and then look for an opportunity here to short. So there's that 15 support. Got the VWAP there. Let's see if it'll break. And we're breaking. Look at that. Wow. Right down there. That was beautiful. See if we can get short here on this bounce back. 1490s. Getting 200 shares there. 1490. See if we can get the rest. 500. Not getting the full fill there at the 1490s. Only getting 200 shares. This stock is a short sale restriction, so it's going to be a little harder to get filled there. Oh, man. Come on. No. Don't go down. Oh, it's going down. See if this get down to the 1450s. A lot of selling pressure here on level 2. Popping up there. Holding this down. Let's see if we can go right below that 1460s. So there's 63. 60s. 57. 55. I'm going to take it right there at 55 and close it out there. Beautiful. Wow. All the way down there to the 50s. You can see making $66 there on KPTI, making $180 there on HTBX. This was the setup, boys. This was the setup that I needed today. This is really the setup I needed every day, but you can see how beautiful KPTI worked out here. KPTI hitting that 1540 area. So like I said, we had this previous resistance there, 1540. Just because we gapped up above 1540 does not mean that we're in the clear. Does not mean that this is going to the moon. You can see pre-market, after hours. Yes, we gapped up there after hours to $17. It pulled back, got stuck there at 1680, and then this morning getting stuck there at 1540 twice. That was a pretty good indicator that this was going to go down. And you can see my plan really was to wait till we broke below the VWAP, because that was, we break below VWAP, I know this thing is going lower because there's going to be a big sell-off. Look at this sell-off from 1520 down there to 1457. So that was beautiful. I mean, that's really a beautiful short opportunity, and you can see only getting the 200 shares there at 1490. I would have much rather have had the full 500 shares there at 1490, and then I could have covered down here at 1450, and then, you know, $100 more. It would have been $120 in profit. That would have been a nice little trade there. But KPTI, this is the type of setup that I need to focus on. I mean, beautiful setup here. Really. Just not getting easier than that as a short opportunity. I mean, really, you know, if I was really kind of pushing my luck, I could have probably shorted this once it got stuck there at 1540 again, and then I could have shorted here at 1535. Would have been a nice little drop, but I really wanted that confirmation. I wanted this confirmation that KPTI was going to break that $15 area and just crash, and that's exactly what it did. You can see just right through all that support there, that $15, that whole support, boom, getting smacked out. This thing dropped 40 cents. This thing dropped 40 cents. This thing dropped over 60 cents on that 1 minute candle. So that was a pretty good indicator that this was going to go lower. And I got really lucky. Had a nice little bounce back here. 1490 got short, and then ended up covering there at 1450, and they ended up covering there at 1457. It dipped all the way down there to 1448, but still, it is what it is. I'm happy to take that profit and call it a day there. It's almost 10 o'clock. I'm going to get my hair cut, I think. My hair is looking pretty crazy today. I'm going to get my hair cut. I'm going to go handle some business. I'm thinking about buying a new car as well. I'm not sure yet, but I think I'm going to buy a new car. I'm keeping my truck. I'm going to keep the truck, but I might be buying a new, smaller, faster car. I got to convince myself if I'm going to do it or not. I'm weighing the options here. I'm weighing the options. Should I do it? Should I not do it? I don't know. If you guys have any questions, any comments, leave a comment below. Hit the like button, and also hit the subscribe button. If you haven't already, I know you guys are already subscribed, but if you aren't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. I will talk to you guys later on.